Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you Temu affiliate program tutorial. First, register for the Temu affiliate program. You can find the sign up link located in the video description. Upon registration, Temu rewards you with a $5 bonus, a great incentive to kickstart your affiliate journey. Make sure to note down your unique coupon code as it's your ticket to earning a hefty 20% commission on each sale. I will leave the direct link to this site down below in the description. Now navigate to the bestseller section on US platform and filter the results by the last 7 days to ensure you are promoting trending items. Look for products accompanied by videos as they tend to attract more attention. From potential buyers, download these videos for later use in your promotional efforts. With your promotional materials in hand, it's time to leverage the power of Pinterest. If you are new to the platform, Pinterest is a visually discovery engine where US users seek inspiration and product signing up and straightforward. And it provides an excellent opportunity to showcase your affiliate products to a wide audience. Create a pin for each product you intend to promote, uploading the corresponding video and crafting a compelling message. Highlight the $100 coupon code for Temu, emphasizing potential buyers with the savings. And don't forget to include your unique affiliate code to ensure you receive credit for any sales generated. When describing the product, provide detailed information. And once you finish creating the pen, you can simply click on publish and you're all done. Now, when people purchase this product through your link, you will get a commission. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.